Saturday morning, everybody. Don here from Super Blast. The rig's ready to go, the van's ready to go, and I'm ready to go. We're going to head to Tampa today. We're going to be doing a pool cage for righteous rescreening. Shouldn't take long. It's early in the morning. I'm going to get there around 8 o'clock. Get after it. It's only take me about an hour to get that banged out. Then we're going to come back here and get something to eat real quick. Then we're going to go do a pool cage and a fence that I had to cancel Monday afternoon so I can get these new pumps put on. And I've been talking a lot about that. I had some guy tell me to get a Davis shooter tip and a M5 twist with a Flow Pro to, then I can run wide open if I wanted to. I'm just not seeing the logic in that. 0060 tip shoots way further than a Davis shooter tip or a tall reach tip. And you know why that is? It's the original tall reach tip. Anyway, we get 10.5 gallons a minute out of there. I got the machines turned down half throttle to do pool cages. Okay, I think the only thing we're going to use 10.5 gallons a minute for is actually cleaning flat surfaces, concrete, stuff like that, and then getting up higher on taller buildings in Dade City. That's going to be a plus. Yesterday on half speed, right directly into the wind, it didn't even phase the stream out of the 0060 tip, and I was able to reach the top peak on that mobile home directly into the wind, so that works pretty good. But anyway, we're going to get going and head to Tampa here, and if you're working today, I hope you're getting after it, because I'm definitely going to get after it. All right, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. Leave a comment, man. Let me know what you think about the new gear, and if there's any tips you might have for me, let me know. But I'm figuring this stuff out. Most likely gonna have to run 2 water lines on the weaker water flow, but always make sure you start with a full tank of water when you have this, and come out and check in about, you know, give it 15 minutes and then come out and see how much water you got left. And then if it's going down, then you know you got to hook up another line. All right, that's all I can say about it, but I'm not going to run out of water ever again. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. All right, here we are at the job. Hasn't been done in a while. It's got that black stuff on it. Let's see if we can get away without the pump up. But we're probably going to have to drag that back here and get after it. Let's take a look. Just need to get this one side where you can see. Don't have to climb behind the bushes or nothing. You see how that black stuff? That's probably going to come right off. Let's go inside and have a look real quick before we get started spraying. And we are on half speed today. This stuff over here, just the soffits are dirty. Other than that, it's going to be pretty good. We'll get these pavers cleaned up all the way out to here. All right, let's get after it. Okay, had a good response with the real-time stuff, so let's go ahead and do some real-time. Going to apply the SH to the outside. Get that SH coming out of here. There it is. Like I said, this stuff can come right off of here. No problem. And when you see a little area like this on the back of the home, just clean it. Like this. Those are all good signs right there, okay? Looks like it's going to melt right off. We'll be all right. All right, let's give it a little dual time. We're on half speed. We were back there for a while. So let's see what we got. All right. Perfect. No worries. All right, we'll let that dwell a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and get after the satisfying runs. And I'm going to bring the pump up, because it looks like we might have to use it in a couple spots. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Still black out here, but that's gonna rinse right off, watch. See that? Same with up here. We're gonna take the wash jet tip and get all this stuff rinsed off of here. It's gonna look great, all right? Let's get after the satisfying rinse. Let's have a review of this puppy. You saw how black and dirty it was?
Absolutely.
The cage is just very old, so that paint's got to be replaced someday down the road.
Yep.
But anyway, I think we have a happy customer here. What do you think, boss?
Absolutely. Great job.
All right,
Highly
man.
recommended.
There you have it. Don from Super Blast. Get after it. Okay, 10 gallons a minute. Look at that. The old stuff's going to get wore out fast with the new stuff. All right, I'm Don. We'll see you at the next job. Get after it. All right, here we are, job number 2. All this fence. See it right there? All the way around. He wants it done outside and inside. So we're gonna go ahead and take a ride on the wand here and get the outside. We're just gonna SH it all the way around, and we're gonna rinse it all the way back. Then we're gonna go in, get the fence done all the way around, boom, go into the pool cage, get that done, and reel it right back to the truck. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. Oh, and it's just for safety precautions, because I'm not going to lay back on it. Going to be a little bit higher than 50%. I got another water line, one over there and one over there. Tank is full to the brim. We will still check on it, but I think we're going to be safe. All right, let's get after it. All right, as you saw on the last job, we had a leaky hose problem. So this will be another good tidbit of information for everybody. Always carry extra hose with you. A little bit of every size on this kind of stuff here is a good idea. A better idea is to have it so it isn't draining on you. On my leg, get me soaked. This should come right off of here. see. Ah, you bastard. You don't want to do that. Anyway. Okay. Well, go back. That's a big, thicker barb there. All right, let's do this. We'll be right back. All right, we were able to get that off of there finally. It's had a barb on it, so it's hard to get the hose off. Anyway, we got it now. Make sure that baby's right up there where it counts. There you go. Can't have any more leaks. Using enough water as it is. All right, that'll do it. Now take your trusty PVC cutters. Chop a nice piece. Try to get it El Perfecto. This baby on there. Perfect. Alright, good to go. Let's test it out, huh? Let's get after it. All right, let's do one lap of SH, one lap of rinse. And that'll be it for real time today. And then we'll get after the inside. This is the SH, wait for it. There it is. Very simple to do this kind of test. Always make sure you get the bottom, get everything off. See that stuff right here? That'll come off during the rinse. There you go. All right. gotta do is grab the rest of this hose. We can get this whole corral done all in one shot. Oh, whoops. Thing almost snapped right off. Sorry about that. How's it going, guys? Working away. Three. That's all you need.
Run soap through? Run soap through that?
I'm doing it right now.
Yeah, this way, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Who's charging?
With this right here?
Yeah.
All right, we just picked up the neighbor's over here. He's going to have us come and take care of his pool. All right, let's get after the rinse.
Straight out to the van.
All right, let's dazzle on over here and check our water supply.
Okay.
All right, we're still good. Still foaming up there high. Really good. Like it when the plan works. All right, now we're going to go inside and we're going to get after this puppy, all right? So, hope you enjoyed the ride. And this is a good neighbor to have that cleans both sides of the fence. I asked him why he does that. I asked his neighbors to take care of their own look. I'll tell you, he said, it's my fence, I'm keeping it clean. What a great guy. His wife's really nice too. All right, let's get after it, shall we? The rest of the fence, inside the pool cage and out, then we're done. What did I say? Get after it! All right, it's a wee bit warm out. Fence looks spectacular. We got some fertilizer stuff over there, that stuff that you need the rust stuff for. I don't have any rust stuff with me, I don't believe. People should tell me they have rust before I get here. Anyway, we'll see what we can do about that, and let's get after it, man. We did the outside of the cage. All we gotta do now is get in there and get the inside after I rinse this outside part. Then we'll get after it and we'll be done for the day. All right, I'm done. Let's get after it. Downhill run, baby.
Trying to sell me something I don't want to buy. Why can't we put the past behind us? The past is compromised. Some say easy does it, but they're just so hard to take. Loving you is easy, but loving you is my big mistake. Oh yeah, I gotta have some of your stuff. I want some of your primitive touch. Want some of your primitive? Want some of your primitive touch? Want some of your primitive? Want some of your primitive touch? Want some of your primitive? Want some of your primitive touch? Want some of your primitive? Want some of your primitive touch?
All right, that's a wrap for the weekend, man. Time for Super Blast to go home and get a super swim at the bottom of the pool. Everything came out nice. Everything's washed and cleaned. Windows are all cleaned. Everything looks great. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and we'll see you on Monday. Back to a normal schedule, 5 days a week. Yeehaw! All right, remember, always, 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 get after it. See you Monday.